Hey, NorCal Rambler here. Today we're going to change the air filter on a Honda 450, and all you need to do is you need a little bit of this filter goop to put on it. It's a little bit deep in this bike. You got to take the seat off, and we'll get started. Let's do it. Same thing on the back side. Long one. Okay. So that was a small up and a small jerk back because it fits into this hole right here. There you go. Okay, we got her out. I was trying to do that with one hand with the other camera, but I can't do it that way. So, here's your basket. Here's the old air filter. You see it's pretty thin. It's getting old. They actually just degrade over time. Here we have a new one. Pop it out of the package. Take these beautiful stickers with it. Yeah, that's a beauty. See? So this is part of the filter. Now, the reason why you want to spray the sticky on is because that's what collects the dust. It keeps it from going through into your engine. So after you get this on here, that way you don't get your hands all messed up. You want to get everything out of the way. Small piece of wood. And this is K&N air filter oil. We're going to soak that puppy. We're going to get a lot on there. There you go. Now my hands are dripping with oil, so I'm going to do this on this camera. Alright, so it's a little bit rough to get this on. Sometimes you have to take the side plastics off to get in there. But even if we take the side plastics off, we still got this box to deal with. But it does allow you to get your hands back in there and get underneath and make sure that you've got it right. Once you get it in there, you tighten it up. And then we're going to pop the seat back on. The seat, like I say, goes with swoops. And you want to make sure that you've got, when you get your seat back in, you want to get both sides of the fairing, and then the fairing is going to actually bolt the seat. Everything comes together in one nice unit. Alright, we'll bolt. Now remember, the long one goes on this side, and the short one goes on this side. Thinking ahead. So, that is a brand new uni filter on Honda 450R. Job done. NorCal Rambler out.